Good morning, students. This is English Reader for Class 2, Lesson 1, The Cake That Grows. Summary. Mona makes a cake. She digs in the garden with a stick. A dog and a rooster see her. The dog hits a heap of mud with its paw. The rooster picks up a few pebbles and drops them in the mud. Soon Granny comes and she picks up last year's bean pod and opens it up. Mona pours the water over the heap of mud and rolls the sugar in it, and then she remembers the raisins and picks up the beans and puts them into the cake. Now she needs a tin to bake it. So students, here Mona is a little girl and she is spending her holidays with her grandmother. So she thought of making a cake. So she was playing with mud, and her dog and the rooster, that is Cock, they both of them helping her to make the cake which grows. Granny gets an old shoe box. Mona leaves her cake in a sunny corner and forgets about it. One day, while cleaning the garden, she falls over something. It is her cake, but it has green things sticking out of it. Granny finds a long stick and pokes it into the cake. By Christmas, the candles are as tall as Mona. She is very happy that she and her friends Rooster and Dog can make a cake that grows. So while they were playing with that mud, they thought of making the cake, and they both of them, all the three, Rooster, Mona and Dog, and with the help of grandmother, they were planting the seeds, and Granny helps them to put that cake, that mud, into the shoe box. And after some time, when she was cleaning that area, she fell down and she saw that there is a candle. The candles are the stem of the seeds. So by that Christmas time, her grandmother told her that candles will be as tall as Mona. So she was very happy that she and her friends, they can make a cake that grows. So she has spent her holidays in a meaningful manner, in something doing, in something good, and that situation, that holidays used very meaningfully. So as you can see the picture, number 1 is Mona, then she and her grandmother, then the rooster, then they have baked the cake, the heap of mud, that plant, and she was with her dog. So on the basis of the chapter, here are some objects: down, up, few, many, open, close, empty, full, old, new, good, bad, long, short, happy, sad. Word meaning: dig, move earth with a tool, hands or paw, digging the ground. Heap, load heavily. Paw, animal's footprint. Flour used to make bread and biscuits. Pebbles, a small smooth round stone. It can be colored stone also. Bean, an edible seed like coffee seeds. So here we have answered the question. Who helps the Mona to bake the cake? The dog helped Mona to bake the cake. What does the dog do? It hits a heap of mud with its paw. What does Granny give to Mona? Granny gave beans to Mona. What was coming out from the cake plant? Candles were coming out from the cake plant. Next we have fill in the blanks. The dog hits a heap of dash with its paw. Mud. The dash picks up a few pebbles. Rooster. The water fills up to the brim of the dash tin. Jam. Granny gets an old dash shoebox. Granny, my cake has got dash candles. By Christmas, the candles are tall as Mona. So just go through it, learn the opposite word meanings, fill in the blanks and question answers, and write it down in your notebook. Thank you.